First thing you want to do is fill up the cupcake with frosting, which I did already. See, I filled it up with orange frosting, and the next one has red frosting. Let me show you. It has red frosting. I filled both of these up to make frosting.
I have carrots and I'm putting them on this, just like sticking up. The other show yesterday, it had me and Annie we were gonna make a carrot cake, but we didn't have time to. So I am just doing it right now, sticking my carrots on. They're already made.
At church, I played a game. It was a matching game, and we wouldn't have enough time to have it, do it, and we didn't know, and then we cleaned up.
What does that have to do with the cupcake show? You're supposed to talk about cupcakes, crazy.
Start it again.
You'll finish it.
Annie, say what you're making.
I don't know.
You'll finish up the show. Tell everybody thank you.
Thank you for coming to the cupcake show and listening.
Show us your finished cupcake. And you too can make a cupcake like this
Yeah.
with the Play-Doh Cake Making Station.
Hey,
Thank you for coming to the Cake and Cupcake Show. Yum, yum, yum.